Look at the people who work the longest hours. The laborers, the drivers, the farmers bending over fields from dawn to dusk. They are often the hardest workers in our society, yet they are also the most likely to be financially trapped. While they give their bodies to the grind, the investor multiplies a fortune with a single check. From childhood, we are told that sweat and sacrifice are the only path to progress. We are taught that if we just give a little more effort, we will eventually reach the top of the hill. This wasn't an accidental lesson. The modern school system was designed during the industrial age to prepare children for factory life. The ringing bells and grading systems were meant to teach us how to sit still, memorize, and comply. We were rehearsed for the assembly line. The goal was to produce workers functioning as reliable cogs in a machine they'd never own. This creates a mathematical trap. Physical labor is linear, a one-to-one trade of time for money. With 24 hours a day, your income has a hard ceiling. But look at this exponential curve. That is leverage, where one unit of effort multiplies across time and space. Burnout isn't a personal failure of your discipline. It is the predictable result of fighting a system built on machines with nothing but your bare hands. To break that ceiling, you need leverage. This is any tool or system that detaches your output from your physical time. It is the difference between digging a hole with your fingers and using an excavator. The most basic form of leverage is documented knowledge. When an idea is recorded, it no longer depends on the creator's presence. These sketches allowed Da Vinci's insights to continue teaching and influencing engineers long after his body turned to dust. Early technology acted as a force multiplier for that knowledge. Gutenberg's printing press allowed a single physical action to be duplicated instantly, spreading ideas to millions without the creator lifting another finger. But before you can deploy technology or capital, you have to convince people to invest, buy, or join your mission. Because human cooperation is the ultimate engine of growth, the ability to craft a compelling narrative becomes your most valuable high-income skill. Mastering storytelling allows you to capture attention at a massive scale. With the internet, a single message can reach billions of eyes. You record the video or write the post once, and the network duplicates your influence forever. This is how you escape the 24-hour workday. By acquiring a scalable skill, you shift from being a laborer who trades time to an owner who manages systems. Your skills also depend on your environment. Where you stand dictates what you can earn. This is geographic leverage. A small town has a limited ceiling. Historical global hubs provide concentrated capital and constant opportunity that simply don't exist in isolation. Moving to a modern supercity puts you in the center of the action. You are forced to compete against and learn from world-class talent every day, which elevates your personal baseline and professional momentum. Within these hubs, you build what is called a kitchen cabinet, a tight, trusted group of allies and mentors who act as your intellectual multiplier. In this circle, a single relationship can yield disproportionate returns, whether it's an introduction to a major investor or access to information that saves you years of trial and error. Proximity is power. Being part of a talent-dense ecosystem makes winning a matter of positioning rather than just raw struggle. Eventually, you must turn your attention to financial leverage. Many people wait until they have $1 million before they start investing, but that is a mistake. The working class trap is spending every available dollar on consumer goods and status symbols. This sabotages your potential wealth before it even has a chance to grow. The wealthy use a much more effective, though unglamorous, tool: index funds like the S&P 500. This allows you to capture the growth of human productivity across hundreds of the most successful companies. Think of a consistent monthly investment as a small measure of sand. In the beginning, the pile is barely visible, but left uninterrupted, the math shifts. Compound interest triggers an exponential chain reaction, where the growth itself begins to multiply, creating a mountain of capital. The philosophy is simple: buy productive assets, never interrupt the compounding, and hold them for a lifetime. Real wealth is reached the moment your passive investment income exceeds your daily living expenses. At that point, your time is officially your own. However, leverage alone is not enough. Scaling your effort without a guiding direction is a hollow victory that only multiplies noise. To ensure your effort has meaning, you need two ancient filters. First is telos, identifying your authentic, ultimate purpose. Second is arete, the pursuit of absolute mastery in your craft. Together, they give your leverage a sense of direction. When personal competence is amplified by community leverage, your goals expand. You stop being an isolated worker and become a historical force. We see this power in movements that start with a single vision and scale through a mobilized network. This level of leverage moves more than just money. It possesses the capacity to alter the social landscape of a nation. The model of the 60-hour corporate grind is exhausting and limited. Building autonomous wealth engines allows you to move forward, while others are stuck rowing against the current. Identify your lever. Whether a skill, a network, or an investment, build the mechanism that detaches your life from the linear trap. Freedom is the reality that your tools, systems, and capital continue to work for the world long after you put down the cart and rest.